In this video, I'll guide you through how to send money internationally on HSBC UK. Whether you're paying for services abroad or sending a gift to a loved one, moving money across borders can seem daunting, but don't worry, with these straightforward steps, you'll find it's easier than you might think. First, let's start by logging into your online banking or mobile app. It's important to ensure you're using a secure network, especially when dealing with sensitive financial information. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Pay and Transfer section. Here, you'll need to select the account from which you wish to send the money. It's a good idea to double-check your account balance to avoid any issues later on. Next, you need to add a new payee. This is where you'll input the details of the person or organization you're sending money to. Begin by selecting the country and currency you want to send money to. Be mindful of exchange rates as they can affect the amount the recipient receives. Now enter the recipient's bank details. This typically includes information such as the IBAN, account number, or SWIFT BIC code, depending on the country. It's crucial to take your time with this step, as any errors in the bank details can lead to delays or even failed transactions. After entering the recipient's information, you'll need to specify the amount you want to send. At this point, you'll also decide who will cover the transfer fees, you or the recipient. Keep in mind that international transfers often come with additional costs, so it's wise to factor this into the total amount. You may be prompted to generate a security code using your HSBC Secure Key. This step adds an extra layer of security to your transaction, ensuring that your money is safe and secure as it moves to its destination. Finally, take a moment to review all the details you've entered. This includes the recipient's information, the amount, and any fees. Confirming everything is correct before submission can save you from potential headaches down the line. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and confirm the transfer. And that's it. That's how to send money internationally on HSBC UK. With these steps, you can easily navigate the process and ensure your money reaches its destination safely. Thanks for watching and happy transferring.